Hey there folks, Mike Rowe here, and let me tell you, I've seen my fair share of hard-working towns. From the bustling streets of New York City to the quiet, industrious corners of small-town America, I've witnessed the grit and determination that fuels our nation. But Kitchener, Ontario, this place is something special. It's a city that stands out not just for its industrious past, but for its vibrant present and promising future. Nestled in the heart of Canada, Kitchener boasts a skyline that tells a story of transformation. From its humble beginnings as a manufacturing hub to its current status as a tech powerhouse, the city has evolved in ways that are both surprising and inspiring. It's got that gritty, blue-collar backbone, built on a foundation of industry and hard work. The factories and manufacturing plants that once dominated the landscape are a testament to the city's industrious spirit. These buildings, with their weathered facades and towering smokestacks, stand as monuments to a bygone era, reminding us of the sweat and toil that built this city. But don't let that fool you, because Kitchener's also got this energy, this drive to push boundaries and embrace the future. Walk through the bustling streets today and you'll see a different kind of hustle. Modern office buildings and innovative tech hubs have sprung up, creating a dynamic environment where ideas flow freely, and innovation is the name of the game. It's a city where you can walk down a street lined with century-old buildings and then turn a corner to find a cutting-edge tech startup. This juxtaposition of old and new is what makes Kitchener so fascinating. The historic buildings, with their intricate architecture and timeless charm, stand proudly alongside sleek, modern structures that house some of the brightest minds in the tech industry. You can grab a pint at a traditional German pub and then catch a show at a state-of-the-art performance venue. The city's nightlife is a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. Whether you're in the mood for a cozy evening at a historic pub or a night out at a cutting-edge venue, Kitchener has something to offer. It's a place where history isn't just preserved, it's celebrated and woven into the fabric of everyday life. The city's historical monuments and heritage sites are not just relics of the past, they are active participants in the community's daily life. Festivals, parades, and community events often center around these landmarks, bringing history to life in a way that is both engaging and educational. And that's what makes Kitchener so unique. It's a city that doesn't just remember its past, it lives it. The community's deep respect for its history is evident in every corner of the city, from the well-preserved buildings to the vibrant cultural events that celebrate the city's rich heritage. It's a city that honors its past while boldly forging ahead into the future. The blend of historical and modern architecture is a visual representation of this balance. As you walk through the city, you can see how it has evolved over time, with new developments seamlessly integrating with the old. It's a place where you can feel the weight of history and the excitement of what's to come, all at the same time. The city's ongoing projects and future plans are a testament to its forward-thinking mindset. From sustainable urban development to cutting-edge tech initiatives, Kitchener is always looking ahead, ready to embrace the challenges and opportunities of the future. So, stick with me and let's explore what makes Kitchener tick. Let's dive into the stories, the people, and the places that make this city so special. From its historic roots to its innovative present, there's so much to discover. Let's get our hands dirty and uncover the heart and soul of this incredible city. Whether it's through hands-on activities, community engagement, or simply exploring the city's hidden gems, there's no better way to understand Kitchener than by experiencing it firsthand. So join me on this journey, and let's see what makes Kitchener truly unique. Now, when it comes to finding a place to hang your hat, Kitchener's got options. This city, nestled in the heart of Ontario, offers a rich tapestry of housing choices that cater to a wide array of preferences and lifestyles. Whether you're a young professional looking for a sleek, modern condo, a family in search of a cozy bungalow, or someone who appreciates the charm of historic Victorian homes, Kitchener has something to offer. We're talking everything from those beautiful historic Victorian homes that transport you back in time with their intricate designs and timeless elegance. These homes are not just structures, they are pieces of history, each with its own story to tell. Walking through neighborhoods filled with these homes, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, the whispers of generations that have lived and loved within their walls. To sleek, modern condos downtown, these contemporary living spaces are perfect for those who crave the hustle and bustle of city life. With their clean lines, open floor plans, and state-of-the-art amenities, these condos offer a lifestyle of convenience and sophistication. Imagine waking up to stunning city views, enjoying a morning coffee on your balcony, and having everything you need just a short walk away. And let's not forget about the cozy bungalows and family-friendly suburbs. These areas are perfect for those who value a sense of community and a slower pace of life. Picture tree-lined streets, children playing in the yard, and neighbors who know each other by name. These neighborhoods are the heart and soul of Kitchener, offering a safe and nurturing environment for families to grow and thrive. There's something for everyone here, no matter your taste or budget. From affordable starter homes to luxurious estates, Kitchener's housing market is as diverse as its residents. Whether you're looking to rent or buy, you'll find a range of options that fit your needs and your wallet. The city's real estate market is dynamic and ever-evolving, reflecting the growth and vibrancy of the community. One thing I really appreciate about Kitchener is that they're not afraid to embrace new ideas, especially when it comes to building. The city is constantly evolving with new construction projects popping up all the time. These projects are not just about adding more homes, they're about creating spaces that enhance the quality of life for residents. From innovative architecture to thoughtful urban planning, Kitchener is a city that looks to the future while honoring its past. You'll find developers here who are pushing the envelope with sustainable, eco-friendly designs. These homes are built with the environment in mind, using materials and techniques that reduce their carbon footprint. Solar panels, green roofs, and energy-efficient appliances are just a few of the features that make these homes stand out. Living in one of these homes means you're not just taking care of yourself, you're taking care of the planet too. They're using innovative materials and building practices to create homes that are good for the planet and good for the people who live in them. These practices include everything from using recycled materials to incorporating smart home technology that helps reduce energy consumption. It's about creating homes that are not only beautiful and functional, but also sustainable and responsible. This forward-thinking approach is what sets Kitchener apart as a leader in modern housing development. But it's not just about the buildings themselves, it's about the people who live in them and the communities they create. Kitchener is a city that values connection and collaboration. From neighborhood gatherings to community events, there's always something happening that brings people together. These events foster a sense of belonging and make it easy to meet new people and build lasting relationships. It's about the sense of community that thrives in these neighborhoods. People here genuinely care about each other and work together to make their neighborhoods better places to live. Whether it's organizing a block party, starting a community garden, or simply looking out for one another, the spirit of cooperation and mutual support is strong in Kitchener. Kitchener is a city where people look out for each other, where they take pride in their streets and parks. The city is known for its clean, well-maintained public spaces that provide a beautiful backdrop for daily life. Parks, trails, and green spaces are abundant, offering residents plenty of opportunities to enjoy the outdoors and stay active. This commitment to maintaining a clean and green environment is a testament to the community's dedication to quality of life. It's the kind of place where you can walk down the street and say hello to your neighbors, where people take the time to stop and chat. This friendliness and openness create a welcoming atmosphere that makes Kitchener feel like home, no matter where you're from. It's a place where newcomers are quickly made to feel like part of the community, and longtime residents are always ready to lend a helping hand, where you can borrow a cup of sugar or lend a helping hand. This sense of neighborliness is one of Kitchener's greatest strengths. It's a city that understands the importance of community and works hard to foster connections between its residents. Whether you're moving here for the first time or have lived here all your life, you'll find that Kitchener is a place where you can truly feel at home. Alright, let's talk food, because no city exploration is complete without a little taste test. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just someone who loves to explore new places, food is always a central part of the experience. It's through food that we often get our first real taste of a city's culture and history. And trust me, Kitchener is a city that brings the flavor in a big way. From bustling food markets to cozy cafes and from high-end restaurants to humble food trucks, Kitchener has it all. The city's culinary scene is vibrant and diverse, offering something for every palate. Whether you're in the mood for a quick bite or a leisurely meal, you'll find plenty of options to choose from. Of course, you can't talk about Kitchener's food scene without mentioning its German heritage. This city has deep German roots, and that influence is still very much alive today. You'll find it in the architecture, the festivals, and most importantly, the food. We're talking hearty, stick-to-your-ribs dishes like schnitzel, sauerbraten, and those giant pretzels that are bigger than your head. These traditional German dishes are not just meals, they're a celebration of the city's heritage. Each bite tells a story of tradition, culture, and a love for hearty, comforting food. And let's not forget Oktoberfest, the biggest Bavarian festival outside of Germany. This annual event is a massive celebration of all things German, from the music and dancing to the food and, of course, the beer. It's a time when the whole city comes alive with festivities, and people from all over come to join in the fun. But Kitchener's culinary scene is about so much more than just sausage and beer. The city is a melting pot of cultures, and that diversity is reflected in its restaurants. You'll find a wide range of cuisines here, each offering its own unique flavors and culinary traditions. This city is a melting pot of cultures, and that diversity is reflected in its restaurants. From the moment you step into one of Kitchener's many multicultural eateries, you'll be transported to different parts of the world. The chefs here are passionate about their craft, and it shows in every dish they create. You can find everything from authentic Italian pizzerias, to spicy Indian curries, to fresh, flavorful Vietnamese pho. Each restaurant offers a little slice of its home country, allowing you to travel the world without ever leaving the city. It's a culinary adventure that's just waiting to be explored. No matter what you're craving, Kitchener's got something to satisfy your taste buds. The city's food festivals are a great way to sample a variety of dishes in one place. These events bring together food lovers from all over, creating a vibrant atmosphere that's filled with delicious aromas and flavors. And here's the best part, Kitchener's food scene is constantly evolving. New restaurants are popping up all the time, each bringing something fresh and exciting to the table. The city's chefs are always experimenting with new ingredients and techniques, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the kitchen. New restaurants are popping up all the time, pushing boundaries and experimenting with new flavors. Whether it's a modern twist on a classic dish or a completely new culinary creation, there's always something new to try. The city's food scene is dynamic and ever-changing, making it an exciting place for food lovers. So whether you're a die-hard foodie or just looking for a good meal, Kitchener's got you covered. The city's diverse and vibrant culinary scene ensures that there's always something new and delicious to discover. So come hungry and get ready to embark on a culinary journey like no other. Now let's talk about brains, because Kitchener's got plenty of those too. This city is home to some top-notch educational institutions, from elementary schools to universities. We're talking about places like the University of Waterloo, known for its world-class engineering and technology programs, and Conestoga College, which offers a wide range of hands-on, career-focused programs. But it's not just about the big names. Kitchener is also home to a thriving network of smaller colleges, trade schools, and training centers. They understand that education is the key to success, and they're committed to providing opportunities for everyone to learn and grow. And it's not just about what happens inside the classroom. Kitchener is a city that values lifelong learning. You'll find workshops, seminars, and community classes on everything from coding to cooking to carpentry. There's always something new to discover in Kitchener, and that's what makes it such a stimulating and engaging place to live.